Can't see your G-Shock in the dark? There's a backlight built in and an even smarter auto setting that turns it on for you. And here's how to use both. Every G-Shock has a backlight, but there's actually two ways to use it. There's manual press, which most people find by accident, and there's auto light, which lights up automatically when you tilt your wrist to check the time. And once you've used auto mode, you will not go back. First, the manual backlight. Find the button on your watch labeled reverse, EL, or light. It's often the top right button. Give it a press and the display lights up for a couple of seconds, then switches off automatically. That's totally normal. It's designed that way to save battery. Now for auto light. This is the one you actually want. Make sure you're in time mode first. That's the default screen showing your time. Then hold down that same top right button for about 3 seconds. You'll see AL light appear on the top left of the display. That's your confirmation it's on. From here, every time you tilt your wrist forward, just like you naturally would to check the time, the backlight kicks in automatically. One thing to note, on some models, auto light only activates in low light conditions. So if you're testing it indoors in a bright room and nothing's happening, take it somewhere darker before you assume it's not working. It can catch a lot of people out. Small feature, but once it's on, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Share this with someone who loves G-Shock watches.